Got the Arrma Limitless out here. I'm gonna try to get an 8S pass here. Let's see. GPS is counting. Track start. Got a little bit of traffic. Let's see if I can get a little pass here. Parking way down there. Way down there, parking. Just wait on me. Yeah, it's parking. See if I can get down here and get past that a little bit. Yeah, it's coming. Wait right there. Wait the car. Oh shit, truck is starting. Oh shit, I'll back that too. Truck is starting. Come down here. Don't wait for that. This truck coming around. Shit, man. See if I can get past here real quick. Yeah, go ahead. So far, truck. Let's see if it's turning. Where's it going? It goes straight. Oh shit, I didn't turn on my front light. Hopefully I see this damn thing. Alright. Let's see if I can get a pass in. Shit. It starts smoking on me. I burned some shit up. Oh, the car done caught on fire. I'm fried the ESC or something. Smoke some shit up, man. See what the hell I done tow up out here. Will my batteries fry up on me? This motherfucker starts smoking. Battery went off on me. Lost the battery. But I don't look like it did any more damage besides that. I fried the battery. Battery couldn't handle it. Well, let's see what it did anyway. I fried a battery. Stop. Read. Only 119. Battery fried on me. Fucked up my strap. Probably my battery tray. But besides that, like, this battery's still okay. It's warm, but didn't catch fire. But this is what happened. Battery caught fire on me. Shit. Alright, well, I guess that's it for this run. Well, let's thank everybody for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me see what this did said on here. I did kind of record my run a little bit. So let's see. Yeah, speed said got to about 120 something. That's this little speed thing. Hopefully y'all can see all that. You know, just the acceleration of it. That was my throttle pull. Say I made it to full trigger. Well, I guess the little GPS thing is okay, but I wish it just had numbers, you know, real numbers, talking about like exact speed. But That's the graph of it going up. Hope y'all see that. Well, thanks for watching. I'm out. I'll see you on the next video. Try this again with some better batteries. Make sure everything is okay around here. I'm out.